Hi everyone, my name is Krista, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import students' handwritten work into CoGrader. This is such an incredible tool because sometimes you might want students just to handwrite their work. So the first thing you are going to do, of course, is you are going to assign something to students that asks them to handwrite an essay. Now, their essays might be 1 or 2 or even 3 pages long. It doesn't matter how many pages your students write because you're going to be able to use CoGrader to give feedback on their essays. So the first thing you will do, of course, is log into CoGrader. Then you will go to Grade Multiple and Create Manually. So when you get to this page, you will go ahead and fill in all of this information for the assignment. Once you have all of these details entered, go ahead and click which level you are assessing for. And then down here where it says Student Submissions, you're going to click Upload Files. Now, before you get to this point, you want to make sure that you've taken a photograph or scanned all of the student's work. Now, if a student wrote just 1 page, you can go ahead and just upload that single image right here. If students wrote 2 or 3 pages in their assignment, you are going to want to merge all of those PNGs, all of those image files into one single PDF. There are a ton of tools online where you can do this quickly and for free. Once you have those files saved to your computer, then you will come to Upload Files from device, then you will find those assignments. So here is one 2-page essay that a student wrote. Again, I used a PNG to PDF converter tool to merge these into one PDF. And once I have done that, yay, it's uploaded, I go ahead and click done. Now, if I want to add multiple students, which you probably will, then you just go ahead and click add more and do that process again of finding the files on your computer and uploading them here. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to do this one 2-page essay. I'm going to go ahead and click done, and then CoGrader does its magic. This screen should look familiar to you because this is what comes up after any type of assignment is imported into CoGrader. So we can see here that it is graded and needs review. Now, if we click on this, you can see that CoGrader actually transcribes the student's handwriting into text, which is incredible because some students have very difficult to read handwriting. And then over here on the right, you have your typical summary, glow, grow, think about it, and then all of the specifics on the rubric, which was created using my prompt. So that is how you import students' handwritten work into CoGrader. So just because students are using pen and paper doesn't mean we can't still harness the power of technology. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and now you know how to import students' handwritten work into CoGrader. Till next time.